let's look inside of ourselves and see, where is my attitude? Where am I coming from? Do I want to succeed? Do I want to be healed? Do I want to get better? Or am I making some kind of excuses? Some of you know the story about Myrtle Fillmore, who had tuberculosis. She was diagnosed with tuberculosis and given 6 months to live. Well, tuberculosis was in her family. Her grandparents had had it, other relatives have had it. They died from it, and they expected her to die from it. She was treated different from other kids. She couldn't go out and play like other kids, and consequently, she read a lot, which was very handy because later on she became a great teacher. But she had an inner realization. I'm a child of God, and therefore I do not inherit sickness. That realization told her that she was created in the image of God, and in God there is no sickness. And that she was a child of God first. And that she didn't have to experience the sickness that her family had experienced. That it wasn't all about DNA. She was a spiritual being first and foremost. Therefore, she did not have to die of tuberculosis. And she started to look also within herself to see, what are some of my faults that are contributing to my sickness? And she started to work to let go of some of those faults. And through the combination of that realization and her spiritual practices, she got well. She lived another 40 years, very active person who influenced many people. See, she had let go of the belief, no one will help me into the waters. She had let go of the belief that just because her family had had it, she had to have it. She let go of the belief that you're going to die from this. No, she let go of, if someone would only help me into the waters. And she said, I'm a child of God. And she wanted to live. She had reasons to live. She wanted to make a difference. She loved life, and that's important. That's very important. She had positive expectations and beliefs. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.